Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to Car Release TV, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in automotive news. Today we're diving into the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. And trust me, this SUV is turning heads with its aggressive styling, high-tech cabin, and powerful hybrid performance. If you love sleek, rugged SUVs, you won't want to miss this breakdown. Let's get into it. Striking exterior design. Toyota has taken the RAV4 Hybrid to the next level with a bold, modern look that still keeps its adventurous spirit alive. Front fascia. The redesigned grille is sleeker and more aerodynamic, while sharp LED headlights flow seamlessly into the body for a futuristic vibe. Red accents and a muscular lower bumper with larger air intakes scream performance. Sculpted profile. Strong character lines run along the sides, giving it an athletic stance. The black multi-spoke wheels, red roof, mirror caps, and aggressive wheel arches scream sporty sophistication. Rear end. A full-width LED taillight strip and dual exhausts built into the bumper give it a high-tech, premium finish. Plus, the rear spoiler and diffuser boost aerodynamics for better stability. Futuristic interior and cutting-edge tech. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit packed with luxury and innovation. Digital dashboard. An ultra-wide infotainment screen merges with a fully digital gauge cluster, putting all controls at your fingertips. Premium features. Enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a JBL premium sound system, and customizable ambient lighting that shifts with your drive mode. Spacious and luxurious. Soft touch materials, leather accents, and a panoramic sunroof make every ride feel open and luxurious. Hybrid power and off-road capability. Under the hood, the RAV4 Hybrid doesn't disappoint. Efficient performance. The upgraded 2.5-litre dynamic force engine paired with next-gen hybrid tech delivers more power and better fuel economy. Plug-in hybrid option. Need even more electric range? The PHEV version has you covered. Off-road. Ready, with an available AWD system, terrain select modes, and advanced suspension. This SUV is built to tackle rough roads with ease. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is shaping up to be one of the most exciting SUVs of the year. Blending head-turning style, high-tech comfort, and eco-friendly power. What do you think? Would you drive this beast? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and share this video with fellow SUV lovers. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.